Morning, Richard Ellaby here, Chicago, Illinois, 95th Street, Princeton Park, Amtrak 305 North. Phase 6 ALC42 charge lead Amtrak 51 to Cardinal towards Chicago. It has a FRA coach directly behind the lead locomotive.
Dispatch 48, UP 3021. UP 3021 has no. Yeah, it's indication the idiot talk to the BRC dispatcher. We're going to go through the CSX, get you pulled off onto the Rockwells. Okay, indication talk to the BRC dispatcher and then you say, I'll go to the CSX and get pulled off into the Rockwell. That's correct. And they're asking if you're able to initialize on the BRC. No, we're not. Over UTC is no good, huh? Ticket number? Ticket number is 140-457-71.
Amtrak 51 to Cardinal is on time. He'll be in Chicago Union Station in 20 minutes. And we got a northbound Union Pacific on Main 1 that will be headed down here. That's on the hill, should be pulling shortly. So we're going to stick around for him on the Union Pacific's Villa Grove Sub.